Hi, it's Fies Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, so let's check your person's emotion ngayong week. Syempre, pagdating sa'yo. Pero yeah, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, again, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganon rin pagdating po sa ating mga items. Okay, so andito sila. Okay, so natutuwa ako sa mga nakukuha na, no, nagagrant na yung kanilang mga minamanifest. Oo. Kahit hindi minamanifest, may mga magagandang dumarating daw. Anyway, so yeah, we do have evil eye protections. Okay, so meron tayo nung 4, okay, ring, 2 bracelet, sample, okay. So, garterized and adjustable. Okay, so ito yung adjustable natin. This is available in red strings, by the way. And ito yung customized natin na bracelet kasi pinapalagyan po siya ng initial. Okay, nire-recommend ko rin to sa mga younger clients. Okay, and dito naman, this is yung ating garterized. Okay, so ganyan yung kanyang pendant. Okay, so iba naman, kung gusto mo ay necklace, so yes, meron tayo. Okay, so ganyan yung ating necklace. Okay, evil eye protection necklace po, ha. So, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, so malit lang yung kanyang pendant. Yeah, this is unisex, by the way. Okay, so ganyan siya. So, ang atin namang next is yung 2-in-1 love and money bracelet natin with citrine. Yes, etong nakakatuwa yung mga feedbacks nito. Oo. So, inuuna niya talaga is money. Oo, pagdating sa ating mga clients, sa ating mga nagtitiwala. No, so anyway, so meron itong money magnet which is citrine stones natin. Okay? And syempre, yeah, pwede to sa lalaki. Kahit anong gender mo, kung ayaw mo suot or kung hindi mo naman gusto nga isuot, okay, pwede mong ilagay sa red pouch. Okay, ganun lang kasimple. Yes, okay. Ang dala nito is prosperity, abundance, wealth, good connections. Okay, so the best of both worlds, love and money. Okay, so ganyan siya. Ang ganda nito in person. So totoo lang. Anyway, so next, yung ating granter necklace. Okay, so ito rin yung pangalawa. Oo, pagdating sa mga feedbacks. So the granter necklace, again, taga-grant po ng inyong mga minamanifest. Okay, so kailangan yung protektahan frequency ninyo kasi yung mga minamanifest nyo nasa frequency. Okay, nasa frequency pa. So doon, kapag kayo nadali ng evil eye, wasak-wasak yun. Okay, lalo na sabihin natin meron naman po akong evil eye, ang tanong ko, legit ba? Okay, so yun. And may mga kanya-kanya rin, okay, na mga paliwanag if ever. So ano bang meron kay granter? Taga-grant po, okay, ng inyong mga minamanifest and tagapagbigay ng surprises weekly. Okay, mapapansin nyo yun, may mga dumarating at least twice per week. Okay, so yun po, ha. Again, this is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and unisex, made to order po si granter. Okay, so yung atin namang pang cord cut. So, si cord cutting, tinatanggal nito yung mga hindi na importante. Okay? Na nakakabit pa sa'yo, kung ano man yan, na pwedeng sila yung nagdadala ng alat or MALAS sa'yo. Okay? So, kung ikaw, meron nun, tatanggalin niya yon. Pwede ito sa bahay. Kung pinurchase mo to para sa bahay, hindi mo to pwedeng isuot. Pang bahay yon. Okay? Ganun po ha. Yes. Ganun rin pagdating sa business. Ay, gagamitin ko po sa business. So, ganyan, hindi mo rin pwedeng isuot. Okay? Pwede mo lang siyang isuot kung ipopurchase mo to as para sa'yo lang mismo, pang sarili, pang tanggal sa kung anuman. Tingin mo ikaw ay inaalat. Okay? So, ganun po, ha? Anyway, again, yung ating pang-cleanse, yung ating cleansing kit is, ano bang laman nun? White sage and selenite. Okay, selenite crystal is yun yung nagre-recharge, okay, sa inyong mga crystals and charms. Okay, sabihin ko na ano bang best time to cleanse. Kapag tingin mo nakapag-provide yung iyong charm, okay, ng something, i-recharge mo na. Okay, i-recharge mo na. Kung yung charm mo ay napansin or nahawakan ng iba, mas maganda nang i-cleanse mo. Okay? So, magpanigurado na. Okay? Kahit sino pa, kung anumang edad, ng makakahawak o makakapansin, i-cleanse nyo. Okay? Mas maganda po yun. Anyway, so, message na lang po, ha? Para sa ibang details, again, sa message po, wag sa comment section. Sana naririnig kasi ang dami ko pa rin nakikitang nagko-comment, nag-i-inquire sa comment section. Hindi natin may iwasan na marereplyan kayo ng what? Scammers. Ha? Okay. So, tayo yung magsimula na. Okay. Air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Let's see. Your person's emotion this week for you. Okay. Ano bang meron? So, Two of Wands. May nakita ko. I'm not ready. So, sino to? Sino ito? Wala pa kasi akong tanong. Okay. Sino ito? Some of you could be dealing with a two people. Okay? Anyway. So, who is this person? Air signs. Who is this? And let's see. Ano bang emotion sa'yo? The Wheel of Fortune in reversed. Okay? So, some of you could have karmic ties with this person. Okay? The Wheel of Fortune in reversed. And the King, yeah, I think, the King of Cups. Some of you may chance na kayo ay merong karmic connection ng taong to. Andoon yung pagmamahal. Okay, sabihin natin, yes, mahal ka, pero the situation is not situationing. Sabi nga, oo. So, I think, andito yung kailangan mong layuan itong taong to, pero ang hirap layuan at alisan. Okay, the Queen of Cups. So may pair tayo. Some of you, sabi ko nga, nakita natin si Two of Wands kanina, might be dealing with two people. Okay? Pwedeng meron ka na, tapos meron pa nito. Or pwedeng siya ang meron, kaya hindi maging okay ang situation. Anyway, so, in general, you have this karmic ties with this person. Okay, let's see what is their emotion right now. What is their emotion for you? The Page of Wands. Always wanting a fresh new start. Always wanting to get your attention. Mga ganong bagay. What's with that Page of Wands? The Nine of Swords. Meron ditong inconsistent. Or sabihin nating hindi dapat nangyayari. May mga tago dito. Okay? The lovers. So, may chance na kayo is connected pa, yung iba sa inyo, connected pa kayo ng taong to. Pero, nandun yung parang low-key, yung person. Hindi ko lang para kasing ano to secret affair. Talagang nakatago yung connection. No? May chance na some of you, may nangyaring something like issue, kaya hindi masyadong okay yung connection or communication sa ngayon. I don't know kung nagkikita kayo ng taong to. Pero umaasa siya, the emotion is, umaasa siya na ma-fix pa rin. Okay? Kung ano man ang issue na meron sa inyo. Okay? So, one thing na magkaroon ng pagkakaayos. Could be younger. We have here water, fire, air. Yeah. So, gumugusto itong taong to na magkaroon muli, no? Ng, sabihin nating, panibago. Fresh new start maybe, mga ganyan. Pero, hindi ko nakikita ang totally aalis itong taong to. Or the connection. Hindi ko nakikita ang totally makakat. Okay? So, next. Who else? Who else for air sign? Who else for our air sign? Who is this person? Who are they? Okay, the world. Kanina nakita ko to sa utak ko. Si world. Some of you could be, nasa LDR. Pwedeng malayo, may distansya. Itong taong to sa'yo, malayo siya. Okay? What's with the world? What's with the world? The Knight of Pentacles in reversed. Isa pa, some of them you can control this person. They're hard-headed. Okay? They always upset you. Okay, madalas ka nitong sabihin nating paasahin or what. Okay, mabulaklak magsalita. Itong tao mo, air sign. Meron dito ako nakukuhang paasa. Itong taong to. Mga specific po yun ha, mga yes. So, let's see. What is your emotion? Some of you, pwedeng may nangyari ditong endings or talagang malayo lang kayo sa isa't isa. Okay, so what is your emotion for you this coming week? Air sign. The Nine of Cups in reversed. Some of you, this is talking about codependency. Yeah. The Tower. They're in their emotion right now. Actually, they're in their emotion. May chance na sabihin nating the distance makes the, sabihin natin, emotion, the love, grows. Oo, parang ganyan. Ang tawag doon, namamili niyang ganun, di ba? Hindi ko alam. Oo. So, parang yung nangyaring distansya or kung ano man ang meron sa distansya, yung parang nagkokos na parang lalong lumalalim yung kailangan. Okay? Pangangailangan ng taong to pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Hindi ko alam bakit. Kasi sabi ko nga dito sa una, anong meron sa kanya. May chance na sabi ko, pwedeng sila ay paasa, parang ganun. Okay? Paasa. Sandali lang po ha. At merong tumatawag sa akin. Sandali lamang. Okay. So, nasa na muli tayo. Oo. So, dito tayo sa person. Okay. So, malayo kayo. Iba sa kanila, hard-headed. Hindi mo makokontrol, ma-ego, ma-pride. Okay, may ganong energy yung person mo. Sino man to. Okay? And Sa tingin ko, itong taong to, kung meron kayong issue ngayon, okay, kung meron kayong issue, gusto nito na parang magkaayos kayo, pero hindi niya ipapahalata na parang kinakailangan or ginugusto niya. Okay? Ma-pride. Again, sabi ko, ma-pride, ma-ego. Hindi mo to makokontrol, hindi mo to mapapasunod. Pero, yeah, they need this connection. They need this. They need you. They have a cup of love na i-offer sa'yo. Yun nga lang, dahil dito sa Knight of Pentacles na to na naka-reversed, kakayanin ng taong tong tiisin ka. Kakayanin nitong taong to na hindi sumunod sa dapat. Okay? Yeah, they're in their emotion this week. Yeah, para kang kinakailangan ng taong to. They're craving, aching for you. Pero, yeah, pwede kasing nasanay itong taong to na ikaw yung nagpo-provide. Yes, and sila lagi yung paasa sa'yo. Now, parang lumalalim ang nakukuha ko dito. Okay? Say the Empress. They want progress. Anyway, so next, fire signs. So, fire signs. Who is this person? Who is this? And let's see, ano bang emotion niya for you this coming week? So, fire signs. Who is this person? Okay, the Six of Wands. I think some of them, ito, mga specific, kilala ng tao, maraming mga kaibigan, laging nakakakuha ng atensyon sa iba. Hindi ko alam, some of them could be a content creator, mga ganyang bagay. Okay? The Six of Wands. That's somebody who gets attention. Okay? What's with that Six of Wands? Yeah, the Empress. Attractive, male, female, could be any gender. Okay? Some of them, pwedeng merong anak. Hindi yun para sa lahat. Okay? Yeah. So, let's see. Hindi ko alam kung anong sitwasyon nyo nito. Pero, tatanong lang natin ano ba ang emosyon nito para sa'yo. Okay? Anong emosyon niya para sa'yo? Ngayong week. Fire signs. I think, you're attracted to this person. Some of you. Pwedeng, hindi pa kayo totally, like, in a romantic connection. I don't know if this is just like a platonic connection. Parang ganyan. Okay? So, let's see. Their emotion for you. Fire signs. Temperance. Oh, they're eager. They're being impatient. I don't know. Could be a Sagittarius, no? Or pwedeng ikaw. Yung parang, nagiging impatient na pagdating dito. Maybe they see you as somebody who's so impatient. Kayo po ba ay nagfo-force ng isang connection? Parang damang-dama ng taong to na kayo ay habol na habol sa kanya. This is specific. I'm talking to someone here. Okay, that's not for all. Pero somebody is forcing something here. Okay. So, what's with that Temperance in reversed? Yeah, the Knight of Cups. Alam ng taong tong gustong-gusto mo siya. Alam niya, you see? The Ace of Wands in reversed. Some of them, nagagamit niya yung sitwasyon niya, kung anong meron sa kanya. Yung iba kasi po is, sanay na siya ay lagi talagang nabibigyan ng attention. Okay? And, sanay rin siya na parang lagi na lang pinipilit. Okay? So, emotion ito for you. Sabihin natin, yeah, see, the Four of Wands, universe. I think this person is not ready to connect. They're not ready to connect. Some of them pwedeng naiinis, nayayamot kung ikaw ay gumagawa at gumagawa ng action towards them. Lalo na yung parang nakakairita na, nakakainis na, or laging consistent. Okay? Kasi gusto mo siya. Pwedeng maging vice versa yung reading. Don't you worry. Kung sa tingin mo, flip yung energy. Okay? So, let's see what's with this Knight of Cups. What's with this? Yeah. The Nine of Cups. Alam na tong taong to na gustong gusto mo siya. Okay? Alam niya. Emosyon nito, hindi siya available. Sa totoo lang, hindi siya available. Sanay lang talaga itong taong to na makakuha ng maraming attention sa ibang tao. And isa ka na dun. Hindi ka iba. Okay? Hindi ka iba. Nandun siya sa energy ng independent. Okay? They're the Empress, Emperor. So, madalas, kung sila ay parang tinatangi, oo, madalas ito'y lumalayo talaga. I-ignorin ka. Okay, iwasan ka nga. So, makikitaan mo to ng parang pagkainis, paglayo. Okay? Ngayong week. Specific to. Okay? Yeah. So, next. Water signs. Okay. So, water signs. Who's this person? Let's see. And tingnan natin kung ano ba ang emosyon niya sa'yo. Okay. The Ten of Wands. The burden. Why? Or ginugusto mo itong taong to na talagang gawan at gawan mo ng action. Some of them, hindi sila sabihin nating ang dami niyang ginagawa, ang dami niyang responsibilidad, ang dami niyang bit-bit. Okay, ano tong Ten of Wands? Yeah, the Queen of Cups. This person is so kind. Some of them, they're like a breadwinner. Are they a breadwinner? Yeah, a lot of responsibilities. The Nine of Pentacles in reverse, the Ten of Pentacles in reverse. Some of them talaga napaka-unconditional love, oo. Ang pwede nitong ibinibigay kahit kanino. Sa family, sa friends. Alam niyo yun, some of them napakagalante. Okay? Mabait itong tao, masipag, may tiyaga. Okay? So, let's see. Ano ba ang meron? Some of them, they have family issue. Some of them, they have. I don't know kung naging open siya sa'yo about that. Pero, yeah, may nakuha akong ganong energy. Kaya nitong magsantabi ng mga gusto niya para lang maiuna yung mga pangangailangan or kagustuhan ng ibang tao sa paligid niya, lalo na kung pamilya. Okay, so tingnan natin what is your emotion for you right now, water signs. The Five of Wands in reverse. Ayaw na muna nito ng drama sa ngayon. Yes, sabihin natin punong-puno na. Oo, there's no space for new stress. Oh, ayaw niya nun. So, what's with this Five of Wands universe? Yeah. So, may chance itong taong to is focus on their career, on their finances, business, whatsoever. Okay, but yeah, this person is sad. They are sad. Okay, kasi feeling niya, lagi na lang siyang parang walang nakasuporta sa kanya. They're sad. I think this person needs you. They need you. They need you in general. Na connection you're giving them. Maybe. Nagpo-provide sa kanya ng something para mag-work or para magkaroon siya ng uplifting energy. Mga ganong bagay. Okay? So, I'm hearing a reconnection maybe kung kayo is merong disconnect. Okay? Pagkakaayos. Meron ako nakikita rito pagkakaayos sa sitwasyon sa ngayon pagdating sa inyong dalawa. They want that. Okay? They want that. A new beginning. Pero ayaw niya ng may stress. Ayaw niya ng may drama. Problem. Okay? See? Hindi ko alam kung pwedeng ang nakakasagupa mo dito is family niya. Okay? Nakakasagupa talaga, no? Anyway. Or sabi nating pamemera. Mga ganyang bagay. I think the person can't commit, no? Yung isa nating hindi pa sila ready to commit. Pero yeah, they want a connection with you. Yeah. So, who else for you, water signs? The emotion. Let's see. So, who is this? Water signs. Who is this person? Chararan. The devil. Could be a Capricorn. What's with that devil? What's with that? Ayoko muna magsalita. Oo. What's with this devil? The sun. Okay. So, yung person is so obsessing. Okay? They're like magnetic. Yeah, they're like so magnetic. Some of them, they know how to read tarot. Some of them. Okay? Andun yung energy ng person na parang sobrang, sabihin nating, yeah, you feel drawn sa kanya. Okay? You feel drawn. Obsessed. Some of you, they're good in bed. Okay? Anyway. So, let's see what is their emotion. So, we have here Capricorn and Leo. I'm hearing bad temper. Bad temper. Madali siyang magalit yung iba sa kanila. Maybe you're really obsessed sa kanya, vice versa. So, ano emotion ito for you, water signs? Okay, yeah. The Magician in reversed. Okay, why? The Page of Pentacles. Okay. So, kahit walang gawin, okay, I'm hearing a disconnection or a separation or endings with you, okay, sa inyo, ng taong to. They're walking away, actually. They're walking away, turning their back. They want you na ikaw yung parang makontrol dito. Magpapahabol siya. Yes, magpapahabol itong taong to. That is their tactics. Way of manipulating the situation, way of manipulating you. Yung paglayo sa'yo. Okay? Yeah. Hindi ito makikipag-usap if ever you're in no contact. They won't reach out. Okay? See? The Judgment in reverse. The Tower. I don't know. May chance kasi na pwedeng itong taong to is like they're focusing on new things, on new energies sa ngayon, and not on this connection. Yeah, the Ten of Pentacles, universe. Yeah, you want them, pero they're not ready. Focusing on the new energies. Itong taong to. Page of Pentacles. Some of them, they're talking to somebody. Some of them. Yeah, see, there's communication. Yes, yeah. The Page of Swords, universe. I think this person is still looking for you. Okay? Watching you. Tinitingnan niya kasi kung, tawag dyan, kung ano ba yung magiging reaction mo sa mga ginagawa niya. Titingnan nito. They're stalking you, by the way. I don't care kung may block. I don't care. Hindi ko yun isinisingit sa mga dahilan at rason para hindi kayo ma-stalk. Okay? So, sandali lamang po, ha? Okay, sandali lamang. Okay. So, yeah. Pero ito ha, mga water signs. Habang ako ay nakapost, meron akong channeled message galing dito sa 5 na to na latag, no? Ang nakukuha ko, this is specific, not for all, na alam mo na itong taong to ay marunong nga sa mga kung ano-anong ritual. Okay? Marunong siya. Hindi to again para sa lahat. Okay? Itong taong to ngayong week, gagawa at gagawa ng kung ano-ano. Okay? Babatuhan ka ng mga kung ano mang ritual para kumontak ka sa kanya. Yes. They're manifesting. They're manifesting you. I think some of them, they're obsessed pagdating sa'yo. Hindi ikaw yung obsessed sa kanya. Iba sa inyo, pwedeng sinabi lang na pwedeng ikaw ay nagayuma, mga ganyang bagay. So, yung daming energy, ang daming kwento akong nakikita dito. So, babanggitin ko lahat. Okay? Para walang maiwan. Hindi nyo kailangang kunin lahat kasi hindi naman magre-resonate. No, lahat-lahat ng babanggitin ko. Pero kung nagre-resonate, then wala namang problem. Wala namang problem doon. Okay? So, yeah. This person is watching you. They're looking for you. Medyo nakakatakot yung energy nito, water signs. Sa totoo lang. Okay? Kasi talagang, alam mo na, itong taong to, parang ayaw kang tigilan. Ayaw ka nitong tigilan. They're really obsessed. They really want you. I don't know. Let's see. Ano bang emosyon? Ano bang gusto mo? Ano bang meron ngayon? At bakit to gumaganto sa'yo ngayon? Anong meron dito, water signs? Titingnan ko lang ha. Sa mga naka-resonate doon sa huli. Anong meron sa inyo ngayon? Ano bang nararamdaman mo sa kanya ngayon? Okay, nilet go mo. Nilet go mo. Some of you, takot ka na sa kanya. Yeah. And I think, mas nagiging okay yung buhay mo without this person. Pero hindi ka titigilan nito. Yes. Okay? Maganda rito, cord cut. Yeah, maganda rito is cord cut. Ito. Yeah. Okay? So, yun. Anyway, so next is earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorns. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, let's check your person's emotion this coming week. Let us check your person's emotion this week. Okay, let's see. Who is this? Who is this earth signs? The star. Could be an aqua, an Aquarius. Maybe this person admires you or you admire them. What's with that star? The Queen of Cups in the reversed. Itong taong to, ibinigay mo lahat sa kanya, pero naging selfish pa rin. Yes! Ibinigay mo ng lahat dito sa taong to. Para ka nang naging granter pagdating sa kanya. Pero naging selfish pa rin pagdating sa'yo. Hindi sila naging fair. Hindi sila naging equal. They're selfish. They are selfish. Nagkaroon kayo ng one-sided connection. Let's see. What is your emotion right now? Bakit gusto mo pang malaman? Oo, yung hindi to lalabas eh. Hindi to lalabas. So, siguro, meron pa rin mga gumugusto, no, na malaman kung ano talaga yung emosyon, no, sa'yo, nung taong to. Tingnan natin. Anong emosyon niya for you, earth signs? Oo, the Emperor in reversed. Manipulator. Manggagamit. Okay, the Emperor in reversed. Atong taong to is hindi ready sa'yo, I think. They're not ready. They're not responsible. They don't care. He doesn't care. A manipulator. A big cheater. A big liar. Manggagamit. Okay? Some of you, kung binlock mo na tong taong to, mas magandang wag mo nang i-unblock. Layuan mo na. Just say no sa taong to. Just say no. Yeah. Yeah, the Six of Wands universe. They're so selfish. So selfish. As F. Puro kanya lang to. Puro pakabig. Puro pakabig. Kinokontrol ka. Okay? Well, gamit na gamit ka nitong taong to, earth signs. Gamit na gamit ka nito. Emosyon ng taong to, gusto pa rin niyang sabihin nating ipagpatuloy. Yeah, gusto pa rin niyang ipagpatuloy kung ano mang meron sa inyo. Wala naman ako nakikita ditong energy ng endings. Pwedeng patuloy pa rin to. Pwedeng magka-connect pa rin kayo ng taong to. And yeah, this person is too draining. They are. Para tong energy vampire. Hindi man energy vampire. Sabihin nating literal, no, na nakakaubos itong taong to, earth sign. Para tong vacuum. Bina-vacuum nito lahat. Pwede niyang i-vacuum sa'yo. Oh. See? The money. They see you as somebody na they see you as sabihin natin a walking ATM. Okay? Pag nakikita ka ng taong to, nagiging dollar sign yung mata. Oh my gosh, this is so specific. I'm sorry. So, wala akong emotion nakikita rito. Andoon lang yung gusto ng taong tong gamitin ka. I'm sorry. I have to say it. Yeah. So, makakita eh. Hindi ko alam bakit ibinibigay mo nang ibinibigay sa taong to lahat ng pangangailangan niya. Eh kasi po, binibigyan din naman po ako eh. I think this person, yung love na ibinibigay, ikaw unconditional. Siya, conditional. Okay? Conditional. Yung tao. Binibigyan naman niya po ako. That's breadcrumbing, love bombing. Ginagawa niya yun para ikaw magbigay ka. Huwag mong lokohin yung sarili mo dito, please. Masyado kang nagiging vulnerable, no? Yung kwento mo, nalalaman ng ibang tao. Naawa sila sa'yo. Kahit ako, naawa ko sa'yo. Okay? Alam mo naman na ginagamit ka eh. Masyado ka lang tumitingin or gumagawa ng dahilan. Rason. Para masabi mo talagang totoo sa'yo yung tao. That's BS. Totally BS. Ano po yung BS? Bullshit. Okay? Anyway. So, who else? Who else? Let's see. Who else for Earth signs? Their emotion for you this coming week. This coming week. For our Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay. Who is this person? Who are they? For our Earth signs. The Six of Swords. What's with that? What's with that? The Knight of Swords. Could be an air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aqua. So, I think, merong ginawa itong taong tong action. Okay? Dahil meron siyang gustong mangyari sa buhay niya. Some of you, may kaakibat na paglayo, may pag-alis, may ending na nangyari sa inyo. Okay? Meron tong gustong i-fix or gawin sa side niya. That's specific. Yeah, may nangyaring ganito. Okay, the Ace of Pentacles Universe. I don't know kung naramdaman mo ngayon is a missed opportunity. Yeah, without this person, you felt like, paano na? Ang daming nasayang kasi nawala yung sa amin. Pero I think this person, parang meron siyang kailangan gawin, aksyonan. Parang ganyan. Okay? Hindi ko nabubuklatin to masyado. Hindi ko nabubuklatin kung ano pa yung ibang dahilan or kung ano ba talaga yung sitwasyon nyo. Okay. Pero let's see what is your emotion for you this week, this coming week. The Three of Cups in reversed. Nakaw. So specific, may nakikita ko na pwedeng this could be a third party involvement, third party connection. I think kung ano man yung kailangan gawin ng taong to is for the better. Pwedeng inalisan ka, nilayuan ka. Kasi pwedeng itong taong to is yun yung kailangan niyang gawin. Yun yung dapat. Okay? Kung ano yung kailangan niyang gawin eh. Yun yung dapat. Okay? So emotion ito, the Three of Cups in reversed. And the Eight of Wands. Lumayo sa connection na to. Lumalayo siya for the better. Andito yung paglimot. Oh. The Five of Swords, the Four of Swords is this energy of Nine of Swords in total. No stress. Okay? No stress muna sa ngayon. Marami ako nakukuhang energy, sa totoo lang. Gulong-gulo ako dito. Hindi ko alam kung mababasa or masasabi ko lahat, pero isa-isahin natin. Sige. Iba dito, specific ha, mga specific ang babanggitin ko. Iba sa inyo, itong taong to, pwedeng lumayo, okay, umaalis, kasi yun nga, meron siyang kailangan gawin. Okay? Para sa ikabubuti ng inyong connection. Emosyon niya, sa ngayon, okay? Gusto niyang merong maklear talaga pagdating sa inyo. Yung iba dito, pwedeng meron munang kailangang i-end sa part nila. And then, para may alis rin yung stress pagdating sa connection nyo. Hindi ko alam, specifically, some of them, they're having this, sabihin nating legal, okay? Something na ongoing process. Could be annulment, divorce, mga ganyang bagay. Okay? And, ang nakuha ko dito, hindi muna kailangan kumonek sa'yo. Kahit gusto niyang kumonek. Kahit gusto niya makipag-usap. Para siyang nagtitiis kasi kailangan to. So, kunin lang po ha, kung ano yung nakaka-resonate, no? Hindi naman lahat. So, siguro. Okay? Yeah, the devil. Justice. See? Meron ditong something ongoing. Okay? Legal. Justice is here. So, mayroon talagang kailangan muna na isettle, okay, na mga legal na issue dito bago kumunek ulit, I guess. Or, bago bigyan ng label kung ano man yung meron sa inyo. Kasi yung ginagawa niyang pag-alis is for the better. Meron siyang plano. Okay, may plano yung tao. Yeah, the Page of Swords. This is plans, no? Like, nakikita niya, like, kung ano pwedeng gawin, kung ano pwedeng mangyari in the future. Parang ganyan. So, parang nakaplano na lahat. So, kung ano man, yung mga ginagawa niya ngayon, planado na po lahat yon. Okay? Planado na lahat. So, I don't know if you need to, maki-go with the flow with this person. Just go with the flow. Okay? Yeah. Just go with the flow. Wala kang kailangan gawin. Yeah, the Seven of Wands Universe. Kasi kapag meron kang inilaban dito, magugulo lang. Parang kailangan mong hayaan muna itong taong to na gawin kung ano yung part niya. Ang part mo is what? Maki-go with the flow sa person. Okay, I think this is just like an advice for some of you. You don't need na umakra, makialam, makigulo. Alam ng taong to ginagawa niya. That's specific. Again, hindi po para sa lahat. Okay, so there. Yeah, yun ang aking reading for you. All signs again. Please, don't forget, again, to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and yung atin pong second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Oo, yung ating love letter. Okay, anyway, so yeah, again, thank you. Goodbye.